You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Thursday, the 19th of February. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather will feature a few isolated showers today. And then tomorrow and Saturday, we'll see some rain at times. It will not rain all day tomorrow and not rain all day Saturday, but this front will be meandering back and forth through the state. And then we turn noticeably colder on Sunday. But pretty interesting forecast here for the next few days. Let's take a look at the upper air view. And again, we had this complex trough that's over the western states. A lot of mountain snow, unsettled weather there. And here we have a southwest flow aloft and approaching surface front. The radar early this morning, not much. Looks like a little rain over Jackson County in the northeastern corner of the state, and that's about it. It is a very mild February morning. We got temperatures in the 60s to start today. In fact, it's 70 early this morning at Gulf Shores, Atmore, and Geneva. We might see a few spots over South Alabama touching 80 today. Watch warning map, a variety of winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories for the western half of the country. And again, red flag warnings for much of Oklahoma and some of the surrounding states because of the wildfire danger there. Today, there's a risk of severe storms north of here, places like Indianapolis. No issues down here. But we do note tomorrow, SPC has introduced a very low-end marginal risk of severe storms for the northern half of the state. And this is a really low-end deal here. There might be a little small hail at some point tomorrow, but again, the chance of severe storms very low. Then on Saturday, again, SPC has introduced this marginal risk over parts of central and south Alabama. This one might have a little more merit as these storms will be south of a front that will be surface-based, and there could be a few strong storms, especially over southeast Alabama Saturday afternoon. We'll take a look at the specifics on this in just a second. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts generally under 1 inch here, and the bulk of this will be tonight through Saturday. And again, we'll have the new drought monitor update here in the next couple of hours. I'll post it on the video here this afternoon. But let's go right to modeling, model fans. European, this is the OZ run, 3 o'clock today. You can see the complex trough in the west, a southwest flow aloft here. And again, we'll see spotty showers about. Let's just kind of go to high-resolution modeling here. This is the HRRR, HRRR, valid today at 12 noon. And if this is valid, you'll see a few spotty showers across north central Alabama. Otherwise, a mixture of clouds and sunshine today. Highs upper 70s and low 80s this afternoon. A few spots over South Alabama could touch 80 for the first time this year. So this is midnight tonight. And we have a surface front approaching the northwestern corner of the state. And there could be an increase in the number of showers over the northern counties of the state late tonight. And there might be a rumble of thunder, but again, I don't expect any severe storms. And then that front moves southward, and by tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, the better chance of any showers south of a line from near Lake Martin to Prattville to Thomasville. And again, maybe some thunder. Don't expect anything severe. So, and again, this is going to be a complex forecast. This is the kind of forecast where you just can't glance at a phone app and it's going to tell you the situation here. This front's going to meander back and forth. So showers for North Alabama late tonight after midnight, and then shifting into South Alabama during the day tomorrow. So this is tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock, and the front begins to move northward. And again, we'll see showers developing northward again, moving up into places like Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston. And again, could there be a rumble of thunder? Yes, but just don't expect any severe storms. So let's go to Saturday morning. North of that northward moving warm front, we'll see rain and maybe some thunder for North Alabama. And I clearly believe for North Alabama Saturday, the better chance of rain will be during the morning hours. And then Saturday at noon, the front begins to move south again. You can see it's just like a windshield wiper here. Got a band of showers at midday Saturday, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, moving southward. And we'll go to the synoptic scale European, and Saturday afternoon, the better chance of showers and storms over the southern half of the state. So this is the instability Saturday at noon. This is coming off the high-resolution NAM. This is 60 hours out, as far out as it goes. And you can see there's a decent amount of instability over southeast Alabama. Not overwhelming, but enough for a few strong storms. And the shear values, this is the 0 to 1 kilometer storm relative helicity, the veering of the wind with altitude in relation to storm motion. There's a little bit over southeast Alabama, and this is the significant tornado parameter Saturday at noon, the STP. And these are low numbers, 1 to 2 units, the higher values over Georgia, but there could be a strong storm Saturday afternoon across southeast Alabama. If you're in Eufaula, Troy, Dothan, Enterprise, Geneva, Ozark, just be aware of that, and we'll kind of keep an eye on things as we get closer. But for most of the state, we're not concerned about severe storms. And still mild on Saturday with highs in the low 70s for South Alabama, 60s for North Alabama. And then on Sunday, we turn colder with a sharp north breeze. If you're in the Tennessee Valley, highs will be in the 40s, upper 40s, 50s for the rest of the state. The day will be sunny. Monday, many places will start the day with a freeze over North Alabama. The sky will be sunny. And again, the high Monday only in the 40s and 50s, a different kind of air mass. And the coldest morning will likely be Tuesday morning. That's when we'll see 20s deep into South Alabama, a very meaningful freeze. But then we bounce back by afternoon with highs in the 50s. This is Wednesday. The warming trend continues. Highs should be in the 60s. And a week from today, Thursday, the 26th, again, troughing to the north, and a front pushes in here with a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. Not really a severe weather look, but looks like after these showers and storms we see tomorrow and Saturday, the next good chance of rain will be about Thursday of next week. Let's keep going. This is 10 days out. This is Saturday, the 28th of February. Little weak shortwave we see there, maybe a couple of showers, but probably no big deal. All right, snow lovers. And I know all over the socials that there was one deterministic run of the European yesterday. This was the 12Z run out at like 300 hours that showed like a foot of snow in Huntsville. But deterministic output at that range means nothing. This is the probabilistic outlook coming off the ensemble, European ensemble, AI version. This is the chance of 1 inch of snow or greater through the 5th of March, 0. But again, March is wild. Anything goes. We all know that, but it's not looking good for snow for the next 15 days. This is a look at rain for the next 15 days coming off the again, European ensemble, AI version, valid out through the 5th of March. The mean, a little over 2 inches. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models. Today, the warmest day, upper 70s. South Alabama could see low 80s in spots. But then there's that temporary cold snap Sunday through Tuesday. And again, notice lows in the 20s both Monday morning and Tuesday morning. But then we bounce back with a high up to 71 by Saturday the 28th. And the latest long-range guidance, 26th of February through the 4th of March. Much of the United States above average, but look at Alaska. They're deep in the blue, and we'll keep an eye on that cold air as it builds up over Alaska and the Yukon, Northwest Territories of Canada. Ooh, another good sunset. Now, this is mainly for South Alabama and the Gulf Coast. The northern part of the state had a lot of clouds around yesterday. But many in South Alabama and on the Gulf Coast enjoyed a marvelous sunset yesterday. So today I will be in Huntsville at Ridgecrest Elementary School, and then I will be in Hanceville in Cullman County at Wallace State Community College. Tomorrow I will be on the campus of the University of Alabama in Tuscaloosa for their Cross Point program. Saturday I'll be with Rick Carley and Brittany Decker. We'll be kind of hosting the Blue Cross Blue Shield of Alabama Kids Marathon at Spann Park High School. Weather could be an issue. Looks kind of wet, maybe stormy. And again, we'll if we get any updates from them on the status of that event, we'll let you know. And then Saturday evening, I'll be at the Alabama Theater in downtown Birmingham to MC the annual Hoover High Beauty Walk. I will be on ABC 3340 News this evening, and don't forget you can catch my forecast every day on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham 104.7 WZZK. Thanks for watching. Have a great Thursday, and God bless.